Hey there, guys. So today we are going to make some taco tortellini. So we're going to take our hamburger meat and get it nice and brown. So we're just going to let this get nice and brown. Let this brown up. Okay, so now we are going to season it with some garlic powder, some onion powder, and I'm using some mild taco seasoning. One whole pack. Then we're going to add in our tortellini shell. This is a 3-cheese tortellini. Chicken broth. A little more. And then I'm just going to cover that for a little bit. I'm going to add some tomato and basil seasoning. Hello? This smells so good, guys. Add in some sour cream. A little heavy cream. I'm putting some mozzarella cheese. I'm going to top it with some Colby Jack cheese. A little cilantro and lime seasoning. And some parsley flakes. Let that cheese melt down. pot meal. 30 minutes. One pot meal. 30 minutes. Alright guys, the cheese has melted. Yummy, 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 yummy. See that yumminess? Yummy. Let's plate this up so I can give it a taste. Ooh, y'all see that pull? Oh, oh. Y'all see the cheese pull on this. Oh my goodness. And there you go.